The countdown of destruction. Number 10. Jaguar XF, the living dead luxury. Market destruction. 315 days supply. 701 units rotting. Remember when Jaguar represented British luxury excellence? Those days are dead and buried. With 701 XF sedans gathering dust and a 315-day supply, this $58,500 luxury sedan has become a monument to brand suicide. Here's the nuclear bomb. Jaguar already announced they're abandoning internal combustion engines entirely. They've essentially told customers, buy this car, we're about to stop making and supporting. It's like proposing marriage while filing for divorce. Dealer death confession. A Florida Jaguar dealer admitted, we've had the same 3 XFs in our showroom since last summer. We cut $12,000 off sticker and still can't get people to consider them. It's like trying to sell tickets on the Titanic after it hit the iceberg.
Number 9. Alfa Romeo Giulia, the Italian stallion turned glue factory reject. Market destruction. 323 days supply. 1,560 units rotting. Alfa Romeo's triumphant return to America has become automotive history's most humiliating retreat, with over 1,560 Giulias rotting on lots nationwide. This Italian sports sedan isn't just struggling, it's being treated like contaminated waste. The death blow. Alfa just executed their high-performance Quadrifoglio variant in North America. When manufacturers kill their Halo models, they're essentially waving a white flag and admitting defeat. Dealer breakdown. A California dealer revealed, I've got Giulias I've been trying to move for 14 months. People test drive them, fall in love with how they drive, then buy something Japanese or German instead. It's like watching people choose reliable spouses over exciting affairs. Number 8. Dodge Hornet, the $25,000 rebadging catastrophe. Market destruction. 327 days supply. 12,780 units rotting. Dodge thought they could fool American consumers with automotive identity theft. The Hornet is nothing more than an Alfa Romeo Tonale with different badges, and consumers saw through this deception immediately. With 12,780 Hornets gathering dust, this rebadging disaster proves you can't lipstick a pig and call it premium. The desperation has reached crisis levels. Dealers are now dumping 2023 Hornets, vehicles approaching 2 years old, for under $25,000. That's a 268 horsepower crossover selling for economy car prices, and they still can't move inventory. Dealer financial hemorrhaging. A Texas Dodge dealer confessed, we've got Hornets priced below our actual cost just to get them off the lot. We're not making profit anymore, we're just trying to stop the financial bleeding. Number 7. Jeep Grand Wagoneer L, the $110,000 identity crisis. Market destruction, 336 days supply. Financial annihilation. Jeep's attempt to sell six-figure luxury SUVs has failed so spectacularly it's become a business school case study in brand overreach. The Grand Wagoneer L costs more than most people's houses, but can't find buyers even among wealthy consumers. The fundamental problem: a Jeep badge on a $110,000 vehicle creates cognitive dissonance. When you're shopping against Escalades and Navigators, trail-rated heritage becomes a liability, not an asset. Plus, this fuel-guzzling monster drinks gas at 14 mpg combined, costing owners nearly $4,000 annually just to feed it. Dealer reality check.
An Ohio Jeep dealer admitted, "These are genuinely beautiful vehicles with incredible capability, but at $110,000, our customers literally laugh and walk over to the Mercedes section instead."
Number 6. Mini Cooper Hardtop 4-door, the $37,600 space joke. Market destruction, 337 days supply, 291 units rotting. Mini's attempt to make their iconic brand more practical has backfired into a masterclass in missing the point. At $37,600, this 4-door Mini costs the same as proper compact SUVs that offer exponentially more space, capability, and value. It's automotive mathematics that makes no sense, paying luxury car prices for subcompact car space with BMW maintenance costs that can bankrupt unsuspecting owners. One documented case showed a $1,200 repair bill for a minor electrical issue that would cost $300 on a Japanese competitor. Dealer frustration. A Washington Mini dealer explained, "The 4-door was engineered to attract practical buyers, but practical buyers don't spend $40,000 on tiny cars with German repair bills."
Number 5. BMW 5 Series, the fallen sports sedan king. Market destruction, 387 days supply, 3,650 plus units rotting. The vehicle that literally defined the sports sedan category for 3 decades has become showroom furniture. With over 3,650 units sitting unsold, BMW's decision to prioritize technology gimmicks over driving dynamics has created a $65,500 car without a clear audience. The final nail in the coffin? Recent safety recalls affecting both steering and braking systems. Nothing says premium German engineering quite like critical safety systems failing on a vehicle that costs more than many people's annual salaries. Dealer mourning. A New York BMW dealer lamented, "The 5 Series used to be our bread and butter. We'd sell dozens monthly. Now I've got rows of them collecting dust while customers ask to see X3s and X5s instead." Number 4. BMW 7 Series, the $117,000 flagship failure. Market destruction, 517 days supply, 2,830 units rotting. BMW's flagship sedan has achieved something no luxury manufacturer ever wants: complete market rejection. With 2,830 units gathering dust nationwide and a catastrophic 517 days supply, the 7 Series represents nearly 18 months of inventory at current sales rates. The controversial design language, featuring a front grille that looks like it's attempting to consume small vehicles, has proven too radical even for BMW's most loyal customers. In luxury automotive, design consensus is everything. BMW forgot this fundamental rule. Dealer desperation. An Illinois BMW dealer revealed, "We've slashed over $25,000 off MSRP on some 7 Series models and still can't generate serious offers. They've literally become lot sculptures at this point."
Number 3. Fiat 500e, America's most hated electric car. Market destruction, 558-day supply, 1,140 units rotting. The Fiat 500e has achieved the dubious distinction of being America's single most rejected electric vehicle. With a staggering 558-day supply, this tiny Italian EV represents everything wrong with early electric car development. Too expensive, too small, too limited, and too impractical for American consumers. At $34,000, the 500e offers half the space and half the range of comparably priced EVs. With only 149 miles of EPA-rated range, in an era where 300-plus mile EVs are becoming standard, this feels like a technological relic from 2015. Dealer abandonment. A California Fiat dealer admitted, "We have 500Es that have been sitting so long we have to inflate their tires monthly. We've cut prices to below cost and people won't even test drive them."
Number 2. BMW XM, the $159,000 design disaster. Market destruction, 544 days supply. Industry laughingstock. BMW's attempt to create a performance flagship SUV has become automotive history's most expensive design failure. At $159,000, the XM was supposed to showcase BMW's engineering excellence. Instead, it showcases everything wrong with modern BMW's design philosophy and decision-making process. Those massively oversized kidney grills look like industrial ventilation equipment. The proportions are fundamentally wrong. The entire vehicle screams desperate attempt at youth appeal rather than pinnacle of luxury performance. The sales numbers tell the complete story. BMW sold just 307 XMs nationwide in Q3 2024. That's fewer units than many individual dealers sell of regular X5s in a single month. Insider revelation. A former BMW designer, speaking anonymously, called the XM BMW's midlife crisis rendered in sheet metal. What happens when marketing executives override design professionals? Number 1. BMW i7, the $128,648 electric catastrophe. Market destruction, 578 days supply, 1,650 units rotting, nearly 2 years of inventory. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the summit of automotive market rejection. BMW's electric flagship, the i7, has achieved something unprecedented in modern automotive history, becoming so thoroughly unwanted that it would take nearly 2 full years to clear existing inventory, even if BMW stopped production immediately. At $128,648, this electric sedan delivers inferior range compared to Tesla models costing $50,000 less. Its 318-mile EPA rating feels pathetic when buyers spending 6 figures expect cutting-edge technology, not playing technological catch-up. Dealer financial apocalypse. A BMW dealer executive requesting anonymity revealed, "We literally cannot give these away. We have i7s that have been on our lot so long their factory warranties are approaching expiration before they're sold. When we offer $30,000 discounts and still can't generate serious interest, the product is fundamentally broken." Here's where this crisis becomes truly terrifying. Each unsold vehicle costs dealers approximately $28 per day in floor plan financing, the loans used to purchase inventory from manufacturers. That BMW 7 Series rotting for 517 days has cost its dealer over $14,000 just in carrying costs, not including depreciation. Multiply this across thousands of vehicles, and you're witnessing an industry-wide financial catastrophe that threatens the survival of entire dealer networks. This isn't just corporate financial pain. Real people are being destroyed.
Customers who purchase these market-rejected vehicles are discovering their cars are worth 40 to 50% less than what they paid. That's not normal depreciation. Smash that like button if this investigation opened your eyes to the automotive industry's hidden crisis. Subscribe for more insider revelations they don't want you to see, and drop a comment. Which of these market failures shocked you most? Or if you already bought one of these vehicles, share your experience. You're definitely not alone in this financial nightmare.